Hi folks, this is Adnan Rafiq, Exchange ID Pro. In this short video, I will cover the external email option in Microsoft Teams, and this feature by default allow anyone be able to send email to your Microsoft team. So anyone means anyone external. So as long as they know your email address for the Microsoft Team channel, they would be able to send the email to you. So let's look into it. How does it work and what are the necessary controls available? Take a look. So what I'm going to go here is I'm into my Microsoft team and I have a couple of channels created. So I will go here, get email address. And for example, I'll copy this email address and I'll give it to my a friend who is outside of this company. In this team, I am the only member. So no other people, for example, right? So in this channel, I'm the only member. There used to be some other members, they left. But again, as we speak, I'm the only member here. So I have this email address copied. I go in there, I paste it, test email externally from outside, test from Gmail account, and wait. So magic will happen. This email will pop up here. Exactly how fast it is. So within no time, email is here. So for most of the cases, this is a perfect scenario. You just share the email and have them send you some document, right? So you have one document repository or whatever the business case is, you have centralized space where you can work with the people. But there are so many businesses, they may not like this. What are the options available? I click here and either I can remove it. So if I remove it, then it means people within my organization, even within my tenant, will not be able to send an email, right? It's just not externally, but it will also remove the email alias from this team. And if I want somebody within my team or within my office or within my department to join or send an email, even it will block them because this email is no more exist. So let's take a look in advanced setting. And that's what it is. Either you remove it or you can allow. So this is the default setting. And in my opinion, it needs to be changed unless there's a business case. And only the member of this team. So if you allow the member of this team, it will specifically allow email to be sent from this team, or email allow from these domains. For example, you can have more than domains. You have some partners you work with. Let's say you work with Microsoft, Gmail, Yahoo, etc. You allow them, so it means not externally exposed. So if you're a company, if you're a bank, if you're education, and you work with different university and colleges, you work with different vendors and partners, you can put their names or the domain names here and have them send an email. So this way you have control. So make the best decision you can think. You can have, for example, here if you go to get email address, same thing here. So literally you can do it for each and every channel. And this granular level of access is really awesome and amazing, where you can do, so let me just copy it for you, for example, and allow only from this team. So let's see if I send an email from Gmail, would it work or not? Right, it should fail to controlled channel in Teams. Here you go. Delivery. It has been failed. The sender is not a member of team and does not have permission to send email, blah blah blah, and there you go. I hope you like my video. Keep following me on Twitter. Thanks for watching.